Guys, just keep an eye on 36,700 CE. Okay, add it here. Add it at current level. How much is it now?
400.
400. Okay, add it. Yeah. Entered, right?
Bro, entered 415 already.
Okay. Hold on.
Oh, bro, seriously. Oh.
Just
Look, bro, entered.
just hold on. Just hold on.
Adane.
Don't exit. Just hold on. 450 free. And now slowly start to book few quantities. So 470, right? Already a 70 point move. 480.
87, bro. 90.
Slowly release some quantities, bro.
It's a target done, no, actually.
Yeah, see, it's a 100-point move anyway, so you can plan to book also.
Yeah, that's what I'm planning to exit.
Bro, Amma, bro. Too much stress to handle. I'll exit.
Oh, what a trade, dude. Nice. So I recovered my previous Banknifty loss that hit my stop loss, and above that I made, I think, another 2700
Okay.
on 50 quantities. So,
Very good.
yeah, thanks, man.
See, this is what you should be doing. No, there is no point to just keep on looking what is happening in Banknifty. What I did here, I just placed an alert on this trend line. Okay. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends. Do like, comment, and subscribe. I'll come up with a new video very soon. Until then, stay tuned. This is Abhishek signing off. Bye. Take care.